Alright, so yesterday we did rational equations where they were just linear. Now we're going to do some that are quadratic. So the way that the quadratics work are like this. So same thing, I need to find a common denominator. So my common denominator is going to be x plus 2 times x plus 6. So what did I multiply this by to get here, which was x plus 6? So I multiply the top by x plus 6, and I get this. What did I multiply this by to get here? X plus 2. So I'm going to multiply the top by x plus 2. What did I multiply this by to get here? X plus 6. So I'm going to multiply the top by x plus 6. Then I'm going to multiply this whole thing by my denominator. And remember, I told you yesterday I'm not going to show this every time, but that's going to cancel the denominator out. I'm going to combine like terms. And because it's quadratic, I'm going to get it equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract the 4x. And then I'm going to subtract the 24. Whenever it's quadratic, I'm going to get it equal to 0. And then I'm going to use my quadratic formula. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. And I'm going to simplify that. This is 32. This can be simplified to and these are all divisible by 2, so this can actually be, but the place that I really want you guys to get is here. If you can get to here, great. If you can get to here, awesome. So those are the steps that we're going through, okay? I'm going to do another one. And I'm going to do subtraction because it is just a tiny bit different. Okay, so my common denominator is going to be x minus 3, x plus 3. What did I multiply this by? X plus 3. What did I multiply this by? X minus 3. What did I multiply this by? X minus 3. Multiply this whole thing by the denominator. Cancels it out. Now on this one, because it's subtraction, I'm going to put the second part in parentheses so that I remember to subtract everything in there when I'm combining like terms. So x squared minus x squared is gone. 9x minus negative, so 9x plus 2x is 11x. 18 minus negative, so 18 plus 3 is 21. I'm gonna get it equal to 0, so I'm gonna subtract everything over here. And now that it's equal to 0, I'm gonna use the quadratic formula. So I would go through that same process again, and I know that you guys know how to do that, so I'm not going to show it, but that's what we're going to be doing today.